What's going on, Polaris trailblazers and trail bosses and explorers and all kinds of other Polaris chain drive models? To replace this little chain guide, chain pad, on the top of your swing arm. This is, I don't own this vehicle. I'm just an independent mechanic working on it, so haven't worked on one of these specifically before. And to replace this little pad right here, it is riveted on, as you can see right there. I couldn't really tell until I cleaned off some of the gunk on those rivets. But those are little 3/16 inch rivets, so you'll have to drill them out. Just a little bit larger drill bit down through the center right there. Get that baby off of there, and then use your rivet gun to affix the new chain guide pad, they call it. And this is for tons of different Polaris models from the late 90s into, I believe, 2014 or so. So if you have a chain drive model like this guy right here, and it's got one of these little chain pads on the top, it is riveted in place. That's how you will replace it. Not that big a deal, but I didn't see anything listed on it, and I even looked through my service manual, which is 1 billion pages, and I couldn't easily find anything because I wasn't able to tell that it was riveted until I cleaned those tops off right there. Anyway, that's it. Check out our other videos. We're doing a pretty big project to this guy here, 2006 Polaris Trailblazer. Issue is it's not running. Would not crank, not starting. So we are going through all kinds of electrical haywire on it. New stator, new CDI, new coil, new starter gear. Just all kinds of knick-knack stuff. This thing sat for quite a while, and the owners wasn't able to get her running, so here we are trying to go through it, and it's got all kinds of issues and maintenance required and whatnot. Anyway, that's what we're working on. So check out our other videos on that, and we've got other ATVs and dirt bike videos on fixes, repairs, mods, updates, upgrades, blah blah blah, cars, motorcycles, lawnmowers, chainsaws, outdoor equipment, you name it. If we can fix it, we try to post a video on it so that it may help you guys. So check out our videos and like, subscribe, follow, click the bell, and hopefully you'll find something that may help you in the future. So we will talk to you all later.